Hi, welcome to Involve Innovation YouTube channel. In this video, we will see about what is the difference between map and flat map. This is one of the very important concept in Java stream, which is introduced in Java 8. Before seeing about the difference, we will first see what is the map function in Java stream API. Map function is an intermediate operation. To know what is intermediate and terminal operation in streams API, refer to my video tutorial, the link of which I have given in the description. Map function is a stream function which is used to transform the input list to another new stream with the help of provided mapper function. It returns a new stream as a return value. The mapper function used for transformation is a stateless function, that is, it does not store the information of previously processed objects. All the code in this tutorial can be found in my GitHub repo, the link of which I have given in the description. Let's see this with an example. Consider you have a list of numbers 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 8 and 9. We want to transform this to another new list by applying a function which checks if the number is odd, then multiply it by 3 and add 1 to it. If the number is even, then divide it by 2. So this is the mapper function. The resultant new stream which we get is 1, 10, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 28. So this is new stream which is not affecting the input list. So this is what the mapper function is. So mapper function takes the input and it transforms that input to a new element. Now we will see this in a Java code. Now first we will see about the imperative style before seeing about the streams. So in the imperative style we will have a numbers list, and here the numbers list, as I mentioned, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1 and 8, 9. And here we will create a new list and we will name it as process number list, and we will initialize it as an array list. And we will iterate through the numbers list, and if the number is odd, then we will multiply the number by 3 and then we will add 1 to it. And if the number is even, we will just divide it by 2 and we will add this to the process numbers list, which is a new list, and then we will try to print this. And this is what the imperative style looks. Now with Java 8 and with map function, we can simplify this code to a single line. So here we have initialized the numbers list, and here we have created a new list. Here if you see, this numbers list is a collection and we are trying to change it to a stream with the stream function. After that we are trying to use the map. Here in this map function you can able to see we are using a mapper function. This mapper function is nothing but the function which we have used in the imperative style. If you see here, this is the same mapper function we have used here. We are trying to use it inside this. So here this is a lambda expression. So here in this lambda expression it is taking one input param. That input param is number, and here if the number is odd, we are multiplying the number by 3 and then we are adding 1 to it. If the number is even, then we are dividing it by 2. And then last we are collecting everything to a list, because here the result will be stream. We are trying to convert this to a list and then we are trying to print this result here. Now if I try to execute this code, I got the result 1, 10, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 28. This is same for map stream as well as the imperative map. So here this map takes the input, that is the list, and it processes this list with the mapper function which we have provided here, and then it converts that to a new stream and we are converting that stream to a list here. So here if you see, the original list is untouched and we are not doing anything on the original list. Whatever we are doing is we are creating a new stream of integers, and this new stream of integers are converted to a list. So this is what map function is. Now we will see what is the difference between map and flat map. FlatMap does what map function does. In addition to that, it flattens the list of list to a single list. To understand this better, we will see this with an example. Let's take we have 6 users and each individual user have 2 items, and now we want to see the consolidated list of all the 6 user has. Here the input is list of list because there is a list of user and each user has a list of objects, so we are having it as list of list. So here we are passing this to map. We have person and this person has items and we are getting the items and we are converting it to stream. Here the map gives us the stream of stream. So here it consolidates all the items, but it doesn't flattens it. So if you see the output, it will be like a list, and here inside the list we will have the list of items. So here if you see, we have consolidated, but still it is separated. We are having stream of stream as a strings. But what happens if you do the same with FlatMap? So here, as I mentioned, FlatMap does what map does. In addition to that, it flattens the stream of streams and it gives us stream of string. For example, here we try to pass the same mapper function to this FlatMap. So we will get the result as stream of string, and then here the items are got flattened out. So we have a single stream of string which has all the items. So here if you try to compare between map versus FlatMap, this is how it looks. So here in map, the result will be like stream of stream, and here in case of FlatMap, we have consolidated output, and the consolidated output is now flattened out and we got stream of string. So we will see this in the Java code. So for this, first I have created a simple person class, and this person class has name and the list of items. And here I have created a constructor. The constructor takes two param. One is the name of the person and the second one is the list of object this person holds. And we didn't created any setter. We just created getters, and here we can able to set this name and items only through the constructor. And here we have created another class. This class we have map stream and FlatMap stream examples, and here I have created a helper method. This helper method, we are setting up the data. So here if you see, we have created an array list. In this we are trying to add person objects. So this each person object has the name and it also has the list of items that particular person holds. So first we will see how this is done in map stream. So here I am trying to get the list of person, and then here if you see, I am just trying to convert the list to stream, and here I am trying to pass it into the map, and here the map has a mapper function. This mapper function gets the list of items and then it converts that to stream. So here we are passing the list of list to this map, and here you can able to see the output is stream of stream, and stream of stream is string. So here to print out the result, we are passing this result stream to map. We are first trying to convert the internal stream to list, and then we are converting the outer stream to list. So here if you see, so now we will do the same with FlatMap stream. So here we are trying to get the list and the same list which we got here, and then here we try to pass the same mapper function inside the FlatMap. So here if you see, we have the flattened stream. So we don't get stream of stream here. Instead we got stream of string. So here the consolidated list we are getting. In addition to that, we are not having the individual streams inside the stream. So everything is bundled inside to form a stream. So this is what the FlatMap is. We don't need map function because we have only one stream. So we need to do only one conversion list. So here result dot collect and collectors dot list. So now if you try to execute this code, in case of map, I am getting it as stream of stream. So here I am trying to convert the streams to list. So I am getting it as 6 list inside a list. But here in case of FlatMap, we have nice consolidated items, and in addition to the map, it also flattened up the list of list. We are getting a single list. So this is the difference between FlatMap and map. I think this is helpful. If you want to learn more about Java Stream, refer my description. I have complete playlist on Java Streams. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more technical content. Share to your friends if you feel this content is helpful. Thank you.